Good morning, YouTube. I am Bearded Ink, and today we have another exciting quick tutorial for you. We're going to protect your stream from hate raids and from follow bots and from those cheap viewer, best viewer, stupid bots that always show up in our chats and ruin our fun. If you have not yet learned the lockdown command for StreamerBot, I have the little bubble that'll pop up here to take you to that tutorial as well. But what better way to handle it than to just prevent everything from coming along in the first place? Now, SariBot does just that. Any of the hate raids will be prevented. Any of the follow bots will be identified and dealt with, and any of those cheap viewer, best viewer, boo viewer bots that come in and post those will be banned right away. So how do we do that? Well, let's go and find out. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to this website, saricodes.card.co. I will leave the link to this page in the description below. What it's going to do is it's going to tell you everything up at the top, how to add. It's going to tell you everything that you need to know. And the first step before we do anything else is that we have to mod SariBot in our channel. So I'm going to go over to our Word Palette Studios. This is Alex and mine's new game dev account. So if you haven't followed that yet, go ahead and come over to Word Palette Studios on Twitch. Go ahead and give it a follow. But what we're going to do is we're going to go right into our chat, and you do not have to be live to have this happen. You can do it completely offline. So we're just going to come in here. We're going to do /mod, and then we're going to type Sary, SERY _ bot. Let me move the mouse out of the way so you can see that SERY _ bot, mod SariBot. We're going to enter that chat, and then you will see we have granted moderator privileges to SariBot. Okay. Step number 2 is going to be back on to the website here, and we have to authorize the bot here. This is where it's going to have that API connection on the back end between SariBot's account and our account. Now, SariBot is an actual Twitch account, and you will find this out soon enough. But the link that we need to do is we need to click this little link right here, and it's going to open up an authorization page. Make sure that this account is yours. Scroll down to the bottom and click authorize. And once that's done, it's going to redirect you automatically to SariBot's page. Okay. And this is what you're going to come to. And all we have to do now is start typing things in the SariBot page chat. And if we go back to the website, let me open that back up here, and let's go back to that page. Here we go. The first thing we have to do is we have to type join. Okay, so we're going to type join. We're going to go back to their chat here. We're going to zoom in a little bit so you can see what's going on. In the SariBot one, we're going to do ! join, and we're going to get a little confirmation that says welcome to the bot. I will join your channel when you are live. If you'd like follow bot protection, make sure you run follow bots. Now, there are 2 actual commands. Follow bots is the new one. And if you look at the website, let me zoom out real quick just so we can go back to the website. You will see follow ban is an option here for the block or ban known bots when they follow your channel. So we're going to actually do both of those just to show you, but they do the exact same thing. So we're going to come in here and we're going to enter follow ban. And then that's going to tell you that follow bot protection has been enabled. Now, if we follow this one and do follow bots, it'll say the exact same thing. So either one of these will work. Okay. Which is very important. So it doesn't matter which one you use, the one from the website or the one in the text command after you join, both of them will work. Now, the other option here, it says if you want the bot to lock your channel after you go offline, we can enter offline lock. Now, personally, I do not use this one. I haven't found any nefarious things coming in when I'm not live and I'm not online. But if you have, or you want that extra protection, you can come in and type in ! offline lock right there into the SariBot chat. Okay. And then it will, even while you're offline, the bot will be there. But we're going to scroll back up to the top here, and we're going to click on this commands tab at the top of the website, because there are a bunch of other commands that you need to know about, but a couple of them that we need to use right now. So the first one is going to be this online notif, and this is just short code for the online notification. You can either have it on or online notif off to turn it off. Okay. And basically what this is it's just a notification in your chat after you go live to let you know that SariBot is there. So it'll have a little post that says, SariBot has joined your chat, or whatever it says. This is purely optional. It has nothing to do with the actual protection. It's just a personal thing. So if you would like to see that message, you are going to use the online notif. And if you don't want to see that message, you're just going to copy this online notif off. We're going to go back over to the SariBot page. We're going to zoom in here. Maybe, there we go. And we're going to paste that in. When we hit that enter, it's going to tell you, you will no longer notify you when I'm in your channel. Now, don't get scared. Again, if you go with this option, because it will still be in your channel, it's just not going to let you know that it's in your channel. Okay. And then the next thing, we're going to come back here. We're going to keep scrolling down. You'll notice that it has online dad joke. If you put this in, it will post a dad joke with the going live message. Now, I'm not going to do that because obviously we've turned the message off. And then if you don't like that after a while or whatever, you can just tell it to turn itself off. There are a bunch of other commands that this bot will do, including notify you when an ad break begins. If you use the ad manager on Twitch, you can do a raid out alert. Raid messages, you can clear the messages, so you can have the bot make raid messages alert or raid alerts for you. But here's some cool ones too. If your channel ever does get involved in a hate raid and you need to turn shield mode on in a hurry, you can just type in hate raid on, and SariBot will turn on shield mode for you right away. It's just a quick way to do it, so you don't have to fumble around trying to find the shield icon in your chat and click it and all that stuff. The follow ban we've already used, but we're going to keep coming down here because there's a little bit more. You can turn the follow ban off. This will disable the bot and it won't block anything anymore, which I don't know why you would ever want to use that, but there you go. That's an option for you. Here's some more of the cool ones though. MSO. This is multiple shout out. That's right. You can shout up to 9 streamers. You can shout them out in your chat. And it uses this format with a space between them. So just MSO and then the up to 9 streamers names, which is kind of cool. You can set timers. You can do dad jokes. You can do cat pics or dog pics. It'll post a link to a cat pic or a dog pic. You can get facts about them. But one of my favorite ones is here. If you just type the words good bot with no exclamation point, it'll tell SariBot, hey, you're a good bot. And then the SariBot will actually reply with the little love emote. So that's kind of some fun things that the bot can do, of course. But basically that's it. We are done setting up the bot. So we can close this web page now. We actually don't need the SariBot page anymore either. And you're good to go. So the next time you go live, SariBot will join your channel. And if you happen to get any of those follows, those hate raids, or any of those posts that try to get you to click on a link for cheap and best viewers, SariBot will ban them and delete the messages for you, so you and your mods can concentrate on your stream and not have to worry about that anymore. So that's it. Make sure that when you do click on the link below, you leave that page open so that you know what you have to do and follow the steps along. And then afterwards, go back and look through all of the commands and go ahead and about the about page and learn everything you can about SariBot. It is quite powerful. It is very, very, very important that you add this to your streams as soon as possible. And then go back over there and give Sari, a little bit of money, right? Go click on that Ko-Fi link, give them a couple bucks to say thanks for all the hard work that they do there. But that's it. We're done. So next up, we got coming up, we're going to do some green screen transitions in OBS. We're going to do some other fun things. We're also going to do some more things like this that we can do outside of StreamerBot. And we have some viewer requested tutorials to get to as well. But I wanted to get this one out so that everybody is aware and you can get SariBot added as quickly as possible. But that's it. If you like the video, give me a little thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, say hi. Go ahead and click that little subscribe button and the notification bell if you want to know when I post new tutorials. And if you liked it, hey, give me a little comment down below. Let me know what you liked about this video. And if you didn't like the video or you found something you didn't like, go ahead and give me a thumbs down. But all I ask is that if you do give me a thumbs down, you leave a comment down below in the comment section to let me know what it is you didn't like about the video so that moving forward, I can make better tutorials for everybody involved. But that's it. That's all we're going to say. All right. I'll see you next time. And until then, everybody, love, peace, and chicken grease.